Hello, in this video we are going to talk about all voice-over recognition options on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it's going to work the same. So, to get to the voice-over recognition options, you want to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, and then you want to go to the voice-over. Once you're here, the fifth option is the voice-over recognition, so let's click on this one, and once you're here, you have the description of how voice-over recognition works. So using the on-device intelligence, your iPhone is going to automatically improve the accessibility of apps, images and text. So it works like that you can, for example, turn on the image descriptions, and once you click on the image, the voiceover is going to describe the image for you. But you have also the information that voice-over recognition should not be relied upon in circumstances where you could be harmed or injured in high-risk situations, or for navigation, or for the diagnosis or treatment, or any medical condition. So you can turn on the image description. As you can see, now it is going to download, and also you can turn on the sensitive content output to speak, play sound, or do nothing. You can add additional languages and apply to apps. You can select to which apps you want to apply the image descriptions. Also, the screen recognition, it is going to like your iPhone is going to automatically improve your accessibility of apps, and also you can turn this feature on and apply to the specific applications also. You can turn on the text recognition, like this is the normal what VoiceOver is doing, and the feedback style is going, you can select to speak, play sound, or do nothing. So as you can see, these are our voice-over recognition options. Everything is written down below of the settings, what it does and how to use it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!